So inevitably, every time I try to do these things, something technical goes wrong and I can't handle it. So no surprise there. I tried to post an update a few minutes ago and my phone died, so I'm trying again. So I was just saying, I wanted to give you guys an update, let you guys know what's going on. So basically, I just got off a client call and I'm moving forward with the Save Pain Free coaching program to teach people how to save money. Next Monday, I'm having a free info session here in Houston. So if you want to come and learn how the Save Pain Free program works, you want to learn how to start saving money and building wealth, come to the free info session. I'll tell you how it works and how the program will run and get you started. So come listen here Monday, 7 p.m. at my office here in Houston. I'll put the link in the description here. So that's the exciting announcement for next week. I also just wanted to let you guys know I'm kind of toying around with the idea to start a personal finance crash course for high school students. So I'm thinking about marketing that to high school parents and just saying like, hey, you want your kids to learn personal finance before they go off to school and get a bunch of credit card debt and student debt. So I'm kind of toying around with that idea and talking with a friend about putting a crash course program together for those high school students. And if anyone has ideas on that, feel free to let me know or whatever. Anyway, talk to you guys later.